on, boy.
Fight for Lord Saito. Be a warrior like him. I would rather pick mushrooms. You think you have a choice, Yotei? You. It's rude to wake up a hard-working man with that awful sound.
Surprised you can sleep with so many corpses about.
I wouldn't know anything about that.
I've coin, if you can give me information on the Yotei 6.
A woman asking about Saito's dogs. You wouldn't happen to have a bounty on your head, would you?
I wouldn't know anything about that.
Right. Keep your coin. I hold no love for anyone who calls themselves the lord of anything. What do you want to know?
Tell me what you know about the Oni.
He's trying to rebuild the castle in Ishikari Plain. No good can come from that. It was burned for a reason.
What happened?
You haven't heard the story of the Undying Samurai? Ugetsu tells it best. I last saw him camped in the fields north of Nakagoya Spring. Now, if you'll excuse me, I will see myself out. I have a pesky duel to avoid at the Great Lake. You are welcome to my nap spot. This statue does wonders for your peace of mind so long as strangers don't wake you up.
Come, Homura. Go, Homura. So much has changed in Azov since I've been gone. I can see the South and its people, and the fear of Saito's gang. But Mount Yotei still stands, and the air still smells like home. To me! Let's go. Clan Matsumai checkpoint. What are the samurai doing out here?
They swords. Can you believe that?
Ishikari Plain and the Oni are behind that gate.
You look thirsty. Want to buy some sake?
The yokai walk among us, child.
Masks to ward off demons.
But which demons? The ones torching the plains? Or the ones buried within? With old Saburo's masks, maybe you can keep both at bay.
You said someone's setting fire to Ishikari Plain?
The Oni and his raiders, of course. I make masks for those who wish to protect themselves from such demons. You could purchase one now for the journey ahead. Or visit me later at the Oni's Breath Inn. Good choice. Beware this land's demons.
What do you mean you won't let us pass?
Said we need a permit to enter Ishikari.
Spare some kindness?
You'll have to settle for coin.
Coin will bring kindness to my belly. Thank you, stranger.
Stop right there.
I've business in Ishikari Plain.
Not without a travel permit, you don't.
I'm willing to pay.
And I am willing to let you walk away. Do not make me regret it.
Who would have a permit?
Trouble at the gate, stranger? I can help. I don't think that samurai enjoys his post, but he is making the most of what little power he has.
By being an ass.
Hard times make for hard people. But you showed me a kindness, so it's my turn to do the same.
How did you get a permit?
I ran a lumberyard before the Oni drove me off my land. There's nothing left for me in Ishikari Plain, but I sense there is for you. Good luck, stranger.
I told you, travel is restricted to Ishikari Plain.
I have a permit.
How did you... Let me see that. Wait here. I have to verify its authenticity.
Everything's in order.
Hold it. You forgot this. Without it, I would have to arrest you.
Matsumai! To arms! Protect the gate! And you, mercenary, lend us your blade. Be rewarded.
What? No more talk of arrest?
Circumstances have changed.
My reward! Is it by the head? Quick way to not get paid.
Here I come! Lord Kitamori! Only raiders on the right! Hunt them down! Don't let a single raider escape to the Oni! That's the last of the raiders! Regroup, on me!
This checkpoint almost fell to the Oni raiders. Why are there so few of you?
Reinforcements were scheduled to arrive this morning, but they never showed.
Bad sign.
My man will stay here until support can arrive. I'll search for the missing samurai. You, with me.
It's my habit to get paid for one job before starting the next.
And it's mine to arrest wanted outlaws using fraudulent papers to sneak past a checkpoint. But I'm willing to make an exception, if you are.
Lead the way, samurai.
Mount up, mercenary. You're coming with me.
Come!
Stay close.
How did you know about the permit?
I would have heard if an official permit was issued to the Onryo who killed the snake.
News spreads fast.
Even at the edge of the world. I assume you're here for the Oni. He has declared war on Clan Matsumai. The raiders who attacked are his.
Explains the masks. Is that...
The armor of fallen samurai. The Oni raiders do everything they can to mock us. Dead horses bearing Matsumai banners.
Poor beasts.
Check the bodies. What do you see?
Plenty of high ground surrounding a choke point. Your friends rode right into a trap.
So where are they? The horses can't be the only casualties.
If the samurai survived, there should be footprints. If they're dead. Blood. Drag marks.
Then let's hope for footprints.
Over here. Footprints. One group was leading another. Do the Oni raiders take prisoners?
Whenever they can. The Oni likes to humiliate his victims before putting their bodies on display. We need to hurry. Do well on this job, and I'll put in a good word with my commander.
I prefer money to words. Even good ones.
A requisition with Clan Matsumai comes with many benefits.
And orders.
Are you from Ezo?
What's with all the questions?
You just remind me of someone.
You're not my type.
That's not... Never mind. Smoke, stay low and ready your sword.
Ishikari Plain already has a lord, samurai. This is the Oni's judgment.
The Oni won't take another soul.
Wait!
Die, traitor scum!
More for the fire! Have mercy! She is not human! And Matsuma is too weak to rule you ready for this? I'm here!
Well struck.
I trained for this. These men deserve a proper burial.
That could take hours. I'll give you a hand.
No. Thank you. But this is something I need to do alone.
I'll see if these bastards have anything we can eat.
Forgive me.
In stories, Oni eat people. Oh, flies have gotten these. Salmon. If I cook it enough, we shouldn't get sick. Just need a campfire. Nice view. Hope you like salmon.
Thanks. Where did you get that sword?
Off a dead man.
Don't lie to me.
He was my father's.
Atsu. It's me. You don't recognize your own brother.
Yotei.
It's really
How are you alive?
A samurai found me and nursed me back to health. Atsu, I thought you were dead. If I'd known you had survived,
I buried mother and father. And then I sat under the tree and waited for days for you.
It took weeks just to gain the strength to walk again, and then... I couldn't go back. I have never been back. But we are together now. I want to hear everything. No. I can't believe it. My sister was at Sekigahara. The battle to end all battles.
I was on the losing side.
But you were there. I have never left Ezo.
Nothing stopping you.
My life is with the Matsumai clan.
What did they do to make you so loyal?
Fed me. Clothed me. Gave me the means to protect myself. And others. You must have belonged to a clan once.
Belonged? No. Get some rest.
That's all right.
I'll take first watch. Jubei? Jubei!
You still snore.
And you still wake up too early.
Let's head to the horses.
I thought you left without me.
Our deal stands. I'll escort you into Ishikari Plain. Then you can join Clan Matsumai's hunt for the Oni.
You really think they would accept someone like me?
I'll vouch for you.
You don't know me. And I don't know you. The Yotei 6, the Oni, took that from us. One meal of overcooked fish doesn't make up for 16 years apart.
So what? We just go our separate ways?
Let's get to Ishikari Plain. After that, I don't know.
How many more lives will the Oni take?
At least 2 if we don't act fast.
She's right. I wanted to fight the pretty one, but you'll do. You don't fight like a Matsumai dog.
Because I'm not.
Then why work for the samurai? Prepare yourself!
He's trying to disarm you!
Someone with your strength belongs with the Oni Raiders.
I'd rather die. Well, who's next?
Who taught you how to fight like that?
Anyone willing to teach me?
Great!
There's the Matsumai camp. We have a perfect view of the Oni's castle.
If you know where he is, why not attack?
Because he has cannons and fortified walls? Not to mention a small army. When we make a move, it must be done the right way.
Lord Kitamori, the raiders took the gate.
We took it back. Let us through.
When you didn't report in, we feared the worst.
Lord Kitamori
It's the name I chose when I became samurai. It means
Protector of the North.
the bridge is almost finished. Soon reinforcements will come from Matsumai Castle.
We'd be done sooner if the Oni Raiders didn't keep stealing our lumber.
Well, now you'll have a few less bandits to worry about. My associate and I made sure of that.
I was wondering who the stray was.
I'm his long-lost sister.
She's a funny one. I'll inform Commander Wada of your arrival.
So, I'm your associate?
What did you expect me to say? I don't know you, remember?
You could have told them I'm the one who killed the snake.
To Clan Matsumai, this Onryo is just another outlaw. I need to report to Commander Wada. Stay out of trouble, please.
Wants every you, the woman with the sword. Come here. We've no room in this camp for idle hands. Prove you deserve to hold that katana.
By chopping bamboo?
By following orders.
How about this? I'll chop your bamboo, but if I get through my stack faster than them, I want something in return.
Oh. And what is that?
Your hat.
Deal. But I want clean cuts, not a hatchet job. Not bad.
Your hat, my lord.
Filthy wanderer. What are you looking at? Keep chopping!
This is the associate I spoke of, Commander Wada. Atsu! Do not she was essential in bringing the Oni raiders who murdered our men to justice.
You left out certain key details.
So long as he mentioned my reward.
I'm sorry? Are you a ghost or a mercenary? You may have bewitched the rest of Ezo, but Clan Matsumai is tasked with bringing order to the north. And you are no better than the Yotei 6.
Commander Wada,
But
please.
I will not disgrace the memory of the samurai you avenged. Take your money and get out of my camp.
As you wish, my lord.
Commander Wada, she is skilled with a blade.
It takes more than that to be...
Atsu! Wait.
Go back, Jubei,
Give me time. I'll talk to him. Wear him down.
so I can take orders from people who hate me? I'm here for the Oni, to avenge father.
You can't just ride up to the castle. It's suicide. There's a market outside its walls. Start there.
Ready, boy?
This will trip her up.
You're here too. Let's get our bearings. That must be the island where Sensei Takahashi is hiding out. I could use his Yari technique against the Oni raiders. Jubei said the market was near the castle. This must be it. Ishikari Castle. The Oni's been busy fortifying its walls. That won't stop me. We have enough to get started. Happy hunting. See you around.